Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hisham Biramli, and today I would like to present about the future development for the recycled paper pencil. The recycled paper pencil is a innovative, eco-friendly alternative to traditional wooden pencil, and its future holds immense potential. Let's explore how this product can evolve and make an even greater environmental impact. First of all, it can expanding the product line. The first development is expanding the product range. Along with the pencils, we can introduce eco-friendly pens, eco-friendly marker, highlighter, and even notebooks made from recycled paper. Eraser made from recycled rubber and pencil cases from repurposed material could also be introduced. This way, we offer a complete set of sustainability stationery. Moreover, DIY kit could be developed, allowing students to create their own eco-friendly stationery at home or in class. Point number 2 is collaborate with eco-friendly brands. To reach a wider audience, partnering with established eco-friendly brands like Stapler or National Geographic would help us to expand. Collaborating with NGO and environmental organizations could raise awareness through educational workshops and community outreach, promoting the message of sustainability. We could also work with business for corporate social responding CSR initiative, offering the pencil as eco-friendly promotional item. Item number 3 is scaling production and manufacturing. As demand grows, it is important to scale the production. We could establish local manufacturing unit near our area with abundant paper waste, reducing transportation emission. By using automated production line, we can ensure the efficient and large-scale production. Additionally, adopting biodegradable packaging for the pencil will help reduce the environmental footprint further. Next point is by introducing customization option. To make the pencil more appealing, we can offer customization option. School, business, and individual could personalize their pencil with logo or eco-friendly message. Students could decorate their pencil with color paper, sticker, or washi tapes, adding a personal touch to their sustainable product. This would not only increase engagement but also promote creativity and environmental responsibility. Point number 5, we could research into new material. Further research into alternative material could improve the pencil. For example, we could experiment with different type of waste paper like junk mail or flyer to make the pencil even more sustainable. Additionally, use biodegradable graphite would make the entire pencil biodegradable, ensuring the product is fully eco-friendly from top to bottom. Point number 6 is the global expansion. As awareness about environmental issue continues to grow worldwide, expanding the recycled paper pencil into the international market presents a huge opportunity. Partnering with global distribution network like Amazon would increase accessibility. Expanding global allows us to promote sustainability and encourage eco-friendly practice on a larger scale. Point number 7 is educational integration. We can integrate the recycled paper pencil into education program by making it tool for learning about sustainability. School could use this pencil as a part of curriculum to teach students about recycling and the environment. We could also hold interactive workshop where students create their own recycled pencil, turning sustainability into a hand-on learning experience. The last point is leveraging the technology. Finally, technology can help us to make the recycled pencil even more engaging. We could develop an app where students can track how many pencils they have created or used. Additionally, 3D printing could be used to make the pencil even more customizable and quicker to produce, allowing for greater personalization. In conclusion, the recycled paper has a bright future. By expanding the product line, collaborating with eco-friendly brands, scaling production, and integrating it into education, we can significantly reduce paper waste, promote sustainability, and encourage a greener future for the next generation. That's all for me, sir. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.